Hey guys, here's a little video for you guys. Got a Lincoln Continental. Alright, anyways guys, here's what I'm up to. Took me a day to figure this out. Alright, got a bad mount. I don't even need to show you how bad this mount was. But, yeah, this mount was totally shot. Okay. Get it out was interesting. But here's the fun part, getting in. This bracket here has to be taken off. That's what Mitchell said. Alright, here's how I did it. Okay, see that bolt there? Subframe bolt. Subframe bolt. Take both of those sides on this side, both them out. Okay. On the other side, you just want to loosen them up. Don't drop them. Alright. Alright. One. Now you can see my security stands. There's another security stand. Jack there. Okay, good. Jack on that side. Jack in the middle. Tranny jack to support the engine weight. This jack. And this outer jack. This red one right here is to jack up the corner of the transmission and lift it up. So you'd want to lower this jack down so this hangs down. That one's just supporting the subframe so the car shifted. Okay, tranny jack is there to support the motor, hold the weight pretty much. So you jack that up until you can't move it. Then use whatever jack you have. I use the red one to lift up the corner as far as I can get it. Then this one is just supporting the tongue because the blanket is so heavy. Okay. Now, once you get this lifted up as high as you can get it, as high as it will go, then you take a wrecking bar. I got a big one. Then you pry it down, you jam it in between the motor, the transmission, and the subframe, and you push down. When you do that, that would pull the subframe down. And then your mount will just fall right in place. Now, what you can do now is keep it falling off. Back over here. Now take this jack and jack up your subframe again. Okay, until you bottom the jack out. Then you put your bolts back in. Then you lower down your other mount. But you want to play around. It'd be better if you had two people to do this job, but okay, you want to make sure the mount's free. Then you just put your bolts back in. Do your mount like you normally do. Put all your bolts back in, snug it, whatever, and then that'd be good to go. That's how you do it on these type of mounts, Lincoln, whatever. Now, here's something new. That motor mount, that tranny mount, is not for a Lincoln Continental. That came out of an 01 Ford Taurus. Put the part number for this mount in the description, and I'll do a catch-up video. So let me get this back together, and I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, here's the part number that I did. Alright. The 2974 transmission mount. Okay, here's how I found. Here's the part number. Okay. I have the 01 Lincoln Continental. See how short this mount is? See how different it is? See how far the bolt patterns are? And the height? See how different it is for the 01? Here is the '01 Ford Taurus. See the height's difference is taller, and you can see the bottom somewhat different. That's the correct mount. I'll flip it. Ready? See the difference? Now back these suckers out. Look at the difference. This is for the Lincoln. This is for the Ford. See the difference? They'll never work. Alright. Now, the way I found it, there's a YouTube video. It says '01 Ford Taurus. SES transmission mount information. Alright. 53 seconds into it.
This one it completely failed and was flexing. So here's the replacement right here. As you can see, it's one
See how he has the mount?
piece.
There's the bottom bolt pattern. Now I'll snap a picture of the bottom of mine. But just take a look at that. That's how mine is. Now I'll take a picture of that and I'll add it to this. So hope that was informing to you guys on these Lincolns. You can cross-reference a 2001 Ford Taurus with a Lincoln Continental. So peace, man.